Hi, welcome to the video. This one's a little bit different to some of my other experiments because I'm actually just doing a product review. But I bought this new Superfish Koi Pro fish feeder and I've been really pleased with it, so I thought I'd share my experience and give you a little bit of information. So it comes with a pretty big hopper. The top is not particularly secured down. I've seen others that have clips, so I'm depending on if I get any attention from squirrels, I might need to tape that down or employ something to keep it a bit more firmly on. But it's got up to 7 litres in there. I don't fill it anywhere near that full because just the risk of something happening. There's plenty of food in there anyway. It's got that pretty substantial arm. I've secured it on the wall here, but you can also secure it on the vertical side. It's made of strong plastic. And this is powered by a low voltage cable that is 8 metres, about 8 metres to the control unit, which I'll show in a moment. So if I now go on to show you what it looks like when you're programming, so you can set the time using a combination of holding buttons down and setting them based on the booklet. But what I'm showing here is what it looks like when you click through to the feeding settings. So this is setting 1, which comes on at 7 o'clock in the morning. You click through, it has one quantity of food that goes up to 10. One delivers about 24 grams of 6mm pellets. And then there's 24 of those settings you can click through. But if you want to turn one of them off, just go to it and you hold down the set button, and that will turn it off, which is what I'm doing now. So now if we look at how the mechanism works, it twists this bit at the bottom, which agitates the pellets and they fall through. So if you have very small pellets, you need to use this additional adapter. I'm planning to reduce the size of pellets I'm using now, because previously I used 6mm pellets because that's what worked with my Fishmate feeder, which is a pretty good feeder, but I'd prefer to use smaller pellets because it caters for a wider range of fish in the pond, and big fish like eating small pellets anyway, so there's no problem there. The small pellets, it delivers a larger dose of small pellets because they fall through more easily. And this is showing what it's like to take it off the clamp. So it's just a little bit awkward with one hand holding the phone, so I just cut the bit there, but that's how it works. I'm pretty happy with it. It feeds a good amount for the fish. Certainly it's capable of feeding a lot more. I think your big question would be if you've got a very small number of fish, it probably struggle with the minimum amount that you're feeding them. But overall, a good feeder, pretty solid construction, and I think it does the job well. I'll see you on the next video.